Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove blur from Google Meet. Okay, while you are during the call and you have your blur applied to your camera into the background, to remove it, simply click on those three dots to find more options. Now click on background and effects, and there's a chance that you have your blur enabled right in here. You will see it also right in here. And now simply click on remove. Or you can do it right in here. Now it's on, now it's off. I cannot show you that because I don't have camera. But now it's on, now it's off. That's how you can turn it off. It is really easy. Right, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.